I hope to have some announcements today regarding the composition of the defence team. Obviously, everything that I do is subject to approval by Her Excellency, the Vice President. She has a very important role in this case. She herself is a lawyer. She fully understands the state of the game here in The Hague. And obviously, I'm consulting her on everything that I do.
So who will be forming the defense team?
I'm afraid you're going to just have to wait and find out.
Oh, I thought you were going to announce it.
Lots of suspense, but be patient.
They said that she will not announce, only the head of the legal team, but not to preserve the privacy of the rest of the team.
That might be the case, but whatever I do is always subject to the approval of my client.
All right, but just to clarify, that it's within the day. We expect this within the day.
I expect it by the end of the week that we'll have some names, yes.
All right.
But will there be Filipinos?
I'm always working with Filipinos, and I anticipate that there will be Filipinos in due course as well. I'm here to constitute primarily the international side of the team, former President Duterte.
So are we tapping the services also of the Office of the Legal Counsel?
No, there's no need for that.
No need, so it's...
No, I mean, even if this was a legally aided case or a privately funded case, there's no need for the OPCD. I think that's the unit that you're referring to.
That's right.
They're a very important unit at this court, but they provide logistic assistance, administrative assistance, but they don't provide substantive assistance to any team at the court, whether it be legally aided or privately funded.
Okay, so that will be limited to 3 counsels only, and then a case manager and investigator?
That depends on what type of case and what type of funding we're using at the end of the day. What I can say that there are many supporters who I'm sure would gladly give out of their own pockets to ensure that the former president will return to the Philippines as soon as possible.
The Vice President was saying a while ago that they will do all means to be able to bring the president back to the Philippines after elections or prior to the elections.
Why not? That's his country.
What would be
that
the
was
legal...
where he was born. Why should he not go back?
So,
I mean, as far as I'm concerned, he's being illegally detained here, and he should go back to the Philippines as soon as possible.
so that will be your route to be able to bring him back? You will be filing petitions or appeals to bring him back to the Philippines?
Well, I think you're trying to
the
draw me
confirmation?
on a chronology on when I'm intending on introducing an application for interim release. Interim release is par for the course at this institution. In nearly every case, an application for interim release is submitted. I'll file it when I feel it appropriate.
When you said that supporters are willing also to help out of their pockets, did people reach out to you also about it?
I was making a general observation.
Okay. All right.
But nobody has committed yet.
You're trying to draw me once again. No. People love the former president, and I'm sure that they would pay out of their own pockets in order to ensure that he has the proper defense.
Is this the first time you've encountered the president also? This particular case only?
In this particular case, this is the first time, but I'm experienced here at the ICC, and I'm frequently asked to help people who are brought before this institution.
All right. How was he yesterday?
He's in good spirits. I've told you that right from the start.
Sir, we are FW versus Filipino working. Can we do crowdfunding?
I'm not going to comment on funding.
Yeah, nothing.
All right.
Sir, you mentioned that as far as you're concerned, the former president is legally detained. So that's your...
Illegally detained, not legally detained.
Illegally.
Yes.
So you and the president were already able to tackle, more details about the case yesterday.
Well, in the first few days, I'm helping the former president with his humanitarian needs and concerns. I'm helping him settle in here because things at the International Criminal Court do take some time, unfortunately. I wish it was speedier than it was, but it isn't. And so at the present moment in time, I'm concentrating on that aspect, helping him settle in.